Welcome to Viana Home, your destination for beautiful, thoughtful, and sustainable design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into a warm and welcoming fall transformation, but with a green twist. If you've ever dreamed of refreshing your entryway for the autumn season without compromising your commitment to the environment, this makeover is just for you. We'll explore eco-friendly materials, reusable decor, and stylish seasonal touches that are not only chic but also kind to the planet. Whether you're working with a small space or a grand foyer, you'll find inspiring tips and budget-friendly ideas to make your fall entryway truly unforgettable. If you're passionate about home design that cares for both beauty and the earth, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Viana Home for more cozy, creative, and conscious ideas. Using natural and sustainable materials like reclaimed wood, organic textiles, and recycled decor not only benefits the environment but adds an authentic, earthy warmth to your space. These materials tell a story, one of mindfulness and timeless beauty, which perfectly complements the fall season. Investing in decor that can be repurposed or reused every season is a smart and sustainable choice. Neutral pumpkins, dried florals, or woven baskets serve beautifully through fall and even into winter, reducing waste and saving storage space. Sustainable ambiance is achievable with solar-powered or LED lighting, natural candle alternatives, and soft textures. Creating a welcoming mood doesn't require excess, just a thoughtful touch of warmth and comfort that guests, and you, will love coming home to. Earthy tones such as terracotta, muted greens, soft browns, and creamy whites connect us with the rhythms of the season. These calming shades evoke a sense of groundedness and simplicity that aligns beautifully with eco-conscious design. Thank you so much for watching this eco-friendly fall entryway makeover. We hope these ideas inspire you to decorate sustainably this season while creating a warm and welcoming space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves mindful design. And don't forget to subscribe to Viana Home for more creative, sustainable inspiration every week. Until next time, stay cozy, stay green.